If you've ever wished your GMRS radio could talk way farther, this is the video for you. Today we're showing you how to program GMRS repeaters into a Baofeng UV32, and once it's in your radio, your range jumps from a few blocks to what could be dozens of miles. The UV32 uses a different menu layout than the classic models, so keep that in mind. There's bank, scan, Bluetooth, radio settings, GMRS, program channels, and radio info are the general settings. Now, once you know where the right settings live, the process to program the repeater is much simpler. Let's start by switching the radio into frequency mode. You do that by holding down the menu button for 3 seconds. You can see now it's in memory mode, and now we'll switch it back to frequency mode. Next, what you do is type in the output repeater frequency. You would punch it in here. In this case, 145525 is already punched in. Now we need to tell the radio where to transmit. Press menu, scroll to program channel, and find menu 14 direction. Let's do that together. We'll hit menu, go down to program channel, hit menu again, and punch in 14 direction. Now we'll press menu again. Right now it's set to none, but all GMRS repeaters are positive, so we'll set it to positive. I pressed menu and that locked it in. Now we go back up 1 to offset, which is menu 13. We press menu, then we select the proper offset for this. For GMRS radios, it's always 5 megahertz, so we'll type in 005000 and press OK to lock it in. Now it automatically bumps us back out to the program setting. Next up is tone. Most GMRS repeaters use a transmit CTCSS tone. While inside program channel, scroll to menu 6, TXCTCSS. Let's just hit 6, it'll take us right there, TXCTCSS. Now we hit menu, and we would scroll to wherever the proper tone is. We'll click OK, and now it's saved. We'll leave RXCTCSS off. Once these are all set, the UV32 knows exactly how to talk to the repeater, what to listen for, where to transmit, how far to shift, and what tone to send. Here's where the real upgrade happens. A handheld's range is limited by the height of the antenna, which is why even 1 mile can be a challenge standing on the ground. But once you key up a repeater sitting high above your area, your UV32 suddenly reaches far beyond what it can do on its own. The repeater hears your signal and rebroadcasts it from a much higher elevation, letting your handheld cover long distances with ease. I've personally hit repeaters over 30 miles away from my house standing on the ground. Now that's it. You've just programmed a GMRS repeater into your radio, giving you the ability to talk to people much farther away. Key up, make a call, and enjoy hearing your handheld talk like it's sitting on a mountaintop. Now, what does this mean for your emergency comms plan? Don't rely on a single repeater, but if there's an earthquake or a hurricane and your loved ones are a few cities away, there's a good chance you could still reach them if both radios are programmed correctly. A GMRS license covers your whole family for 10 years, and it's only $35. If you haven't started planning yet, now's a good time, and maybe now you've got your contingency plan in place. Good luck, and remember, you are your own first responder. If this free educational video helped you, please like and subscribe to help me grow the channel, and be sure to use the affiliate link to check out the UV32 or any other radio. Thanks for watching.